Greetings and welcome to Weird Chef channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you my cooking experience for chili con carne using Simply Cook. I just want to clarify that this is not an advertisement for the product. I simply find it to be a helpful ingredient in the recipe. I hope you will join me in the kitchen and learn how to make a delicious and flavorful chili con carne dish that's perfect for any occasion. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let's start with the foundation of our dish, the rice. If you can cook rice without setting your kitchen on fire, you are already one step ahead of me. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. We are using pork instead of beef today. I know, it's blasphemy in the world of chili con carne, but I can only find pork in my fridge. Trust me, it's just as delicious. And if anyone asks, it's a special recipe. Bring to the boil and then cover and simmer gently for 10 to 12 minutes or until the rice is tender. During cooking, add more boiling water from a kettle if necessary. It's time to spice things up a bit with simply cooked Chipotle spice mix. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add a little extra kick by doing a little dance while stirring it in. It's a secret technique, but it works. Now for the moment we all been waiting for, adding the chili con carne stock from Simply Cook. This is what takes our dish to the next level. If you're feeling fancy, you can even give it a little wink as you pull it in. It's feel appreciated, I promise. The key to developing the flavors of this dish is to let everything simmer together for a while. It's like a good wine. You need to let it breathe and work its magic. Unlike wine, you don't have to feel guilty about drinking the whole bottle. It's time to let our chili bubble awake like a contented cauldron. Don't forget to give it a stir every now and then. It's like a little dance party in the pot. Adding the kidney bean is like inviting a little friend to the party. They'll blend in perfectly with the rest of the crew and add a little something special to the mix. But don't worry, they won't be stealing the limelight from our pork. Adding Simply Cook's Cocoa Chilli paste is like a heavenly blend of sweet and spicy. A match made in foodie paradise. Who knew the chocolate and chili could get along so well? My taste buds are doing a little happy dance just thinking about it. Now we let everything simmer away for a little while longer. It's like marinating a good steak. You need to give it time to soak up all those delicious flavors. Plus, it gives us sense of skills to put our feet up for a bit. And finally, we add a little bit of greenery to the mix with some fresh coriander. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for chili con carne using Simply Cook. I hope you enjoy cooking along with me and find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a try and let me know how it's turned out in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to We Are Chef channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!